guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this quick video I just want to mention to you some of the apps that I've used to make money or to sell my products. I do sell hair accessories, so these are the quick apps that I'm going to share with you to just let you know from my favorite one to the least favorite, but in all of them I've made sales. So these are the apps that I'm going to mention to you. Don't mind if I'm here and there all over the place. It's just a quick video. It's a random thought that I've just come to my mind right about now, and I have to upload it right now because it's my upload date and I don't have any pre-recorded video to upload, so we'll just go with the flow. So if you are a reseller in Kenya, either you sell physical products or you offer services, these are some of, maybe you can use one or two apps to advertise your work in terms of services, but for products you can use every of the app that I'm going to mention right here. So the first app that I use, and the one that is most that I've seen a lot of growth and potential in terms of sales in it, is the TikTok app. Guys, don't sleep on TikTok. You can open an account. You can either use your personal account or a business. You can also open a business account, but in my case I find that using my personal TikTok account has really boosted my sales and got me a lot of sales in relation to my business account. I've also gotten sales from my business account, but my personal account, I've gotten a lot of sales from there, like just from the posts that I post, and also in terms of live, I do go live on TikTok using my personal account, so I've gotten a lot of sales out there. And guys, TikTok lives are the thing right now. Like, okay, though it's not it depends with people. You might go on TikTok live, you might not get sales. You might go on live but you get sales. It just depends on the strategy, and if luck's on your side, well and good. But in my case, I recommend TikTok because I've seen I've gotten sales out of it. At times it's slow, at times it's really good. So TikTok app, don't sleep on that. The second app that I'll recommend is the Jumia app, and this one I've reopened it recently and I've seen I've gotten sales from it already, maybe let's say a month of being active on Jumia, and it's an easy process to open an account on Jumia. If you want a detailed video on how I opened my account and how I set up everything on Jumia to become a vendor, let me know in the comment section, so I'll do a detailed video on how you can open up your account. But I also find that Jumia, and first of all these apps are free, guys. Everything is free of charge. You don't pay a thing, except if you want to promote your products. You can do promotional content, you can do paid advertisement and all that stuff. But for me, having used these apps, from TikTok, Jumia, I haven't paid a thing, but I've had sales from that, so that's a plus. If you're selling online and you want to consider these apps, they are free of charge. You can do that in the meantime before opening a physical shop, if you plan to open one, and all will be great. So on to my third favorite app, Instagram. I'm talking out of experience, guys. All these apps I've used, I've tested them, and that's why I'm telling this to you, because I've had personal experience with the apps. So on Instagram, I have both my personal account and the business account. I'd say that I've sold more on my business account because I haven't posted as much on my personal account on Instagram, as much of my business content on my personal account on Instagram, but all the same, I've posted on my business account on Instagram, I've gotten sales. Don't know, not as much compared to TikTok, but I've gotten sales, and I'd recommend. Also on the Instagram, you don't have to pay a thing, but if you want, you can do the promotional ads, such as, are they called meta ads? Yeah, meta ads. So you can do that if you want to. If you don't want, well and good. The fourth app that I've also tried selling on for free, but you can also do paid ads, is Gigi. On Gigi, I've also gotten sales out of it, just posting my products, like literally just advertising for free, guys. I'm still a small business, so I'm making use of whatever it is that is available, and just getting the most out of it. So I'd highly also recommend Gigi. You can try out your luck on Gigi. You can also pay for the promotions that they do have occasionally, but I haven't done that, but I've had sales, and I'd highly recommend that too. If you are in Kenya, I don't know of other countries too, but I do know because I'm in Kenya, and these apps have worked for me. I've gotten sales out of these apps, so I'm telling you from my experience. I wouldn't come here and tell you something that I haven't experienced yet. But in all of this, I just want to tell you that you have to be patient. It's not like you're going to post right now and get results right now. Well, it can happen. It can happen to anyone. But for me, I had to be a little bit patient before seeing the results, right? Even on my TikTok live, I had to go on there like maybe for a week, consistently being on TikTok live for a week without any sale. But sales started streaming in. If I had given up, I wouldn't see a sale, right? Same to Instagram, same to Gigi, same to Jumia. So be patient and be consistent, and just pray that everything will go well. Pray that you receive a good reception with customers, and they like your products, they want to interact with your products, and all will be well. So that's all I had for today. I hope it has been an educative one and you enjoyed. It's a simple video, yes. If you'd want to see a more detailed video on how to open your accounts on these apps, kindly let me know, especially on Jumia and on Gigi. Kindly let me know, so I'll do a detailed video and help you out on that. So until next time, bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my video. Keep it over here. So I'll see you next time. Bye.